Before you spend money on expensive flea treatments for your cat, watch this carefully. What if I told you that with just a few simple household ingredients, you could create a powerful homemade spray that helps keep your cat's fur cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable? This easy DIY mixture is becoming popular because it's affordable, quick to make, and uses ingredients most people already have at home. Stay until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to prepare it step by step and explain why so. Many pet owners love using it. So first, take a clean container or bowl like this. The first ingredient we're going to add is salt. I'm using 2 teaspoons of regular kitchen salt. Salt is commonly used in homemade cleaning solutions because it helps create an environment that fleas and tiny insects dislike. It can also help remove dirt and impurities trapped in your cat's fur. Next, we're adding vinegar. I'll pour in 1 full cup. Vinegar is one of the most popular natural ingredients used in pet care routines because of its strong cleaning properties and its ability to help reduce unpleasant odors. Many pet owners believe the smell also helps discourage fleas and insects from staying on the fur. Now we'll add a little dish soap. This is important because dish soap helps break down dirt, oils, and debris hiding deep inside the fur. It also helps the mixture spread more evenly across your cat's coat. After adding the dish soap, mix everything together really well. You want all the ingredients to combine properly. Now slowly add some water to the mixture. The water helps dilute the ingredients, so the spray becomes lighter and easier to apply safely on your pet's fur. Once everything is inside the container, blend or stir the mixture again until it looks completely combined. Now grab a clean spray bottle. Carefully pour the entire mixture into the bottle. Using a funnel can make this part easier and cleaner. Once the bottle is filled, close the lid tightly and shake it very well for a few seconds. Now let's talk about why this spray can be helpful for your cat. If you own a cat, you already know how easily fleas, tiny insects, and unwanted germs can hide inside their fur, especially around the neck, back, near the tail, and behind the ears. Sometimes cats scratch constantly because of irritation caused by these tiny pests. Before applying the spray, gently check your cat's fur with your hands like this. Separate the hair carefully and look for tiny black spots, dirt buildup, or signs of fleas hiding inside the coat. Now lightly spray the mixture over your cat's fur. Don't spray directly into the eyes, nose, ears, or mouth. Instead, apply a light mist over the body and gently rub the fur with your hand so the mixture spreads evenly. One reason many people like this homemade spray is because it helps freshen the fur and reduce strong pet odors. Another great benefit is that it's inexpensive compared to many commercial products sold in stores. It's also fast and easy to prepare. Instead of buying multiple expensive treatments, you can make this mixture in just a few minutes using simple ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. Many pet owners also enjoy how this spray can help make the coat feel cleaner and fresher after application. Cats that spend time outdoors may especially benefit from regular grooming and cleaning routines like this. But remember, every cat is different. Before using any homemade solution regularly, always test a small amount first to make sure your pet's skin does not react badly. And if your cat has serious skin problems, allergies, wounds, or a heavy flea infestation, always contact a veterinarian for professional advice. I hope this helpful homemade tip makes life easier for both you and your furry friend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another cat lover. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone!